Ah, tax season. It's that time of year, right? And for so many of us, it's the same old dilemma. Do you spend hours, maybe days, wrestling with all those forms by yourself? Or do you shell out a ton of money for a professional? Well, today, we're going to look at a new service that claims there's actually a third way.
I mean, it's a question millions of us ask every single year. The rules feel like they're always changing, don't they? And that pressure to get everything perfect is just huge. So what do you do? Where do you even go for help?
Okay, so let's break down the two usual options. On one hand, you've got the DIY route. Yeah, it's cheaper, but man, can it be stressful. And you're always worried that one little mistake could end up costing you big time. Then, on the other hand, you could hire a pro. That definitely takes the stress off, but wow, that price tag can be a huge roadblock for a lot of people. And that's the big challenge, right? Finding that perfect sweet spot right in the middle. I mean, especially with tax laws changing all the time, having some expert guidance is a massive advantage. But you don't necessarily want to pay for someone to do the whole shebang for you.
But here's a thought. What if that's a false choice? What if there was a third option, a way to bridge that gap, to get that professional guidance you need, but without handing over a giant check and without losing control of your own tax return?
Well, that's pretty much the whole idea behind the TaxLab Assisted Service. It's an online service that's designed to live right in that middle ground we've been talking about. So let's dig in and see how it actually works.
So what is this thing exactly? Basically, it's an online, group-based service that gives you professional guidance, and the key word there is guidance. They're there to help you file your own taxes, whether it's for personal or business stuff, so you have the confidence that you're actually doing it right.
Okay, so you might be wondering, how does it actually work? Let's break down the whole process step by step. And a huge plus is that since it's all online, you can get this help from literally anywhere.
All right, first things first, the cost. You get access through a TaxLab Premium membership, and that's $86 a month. Now, when you think about the hundreds, or let's be real, even thousands of dollars you might pay a traditional accountant, you can see the value here almost instantly.
And here's what's really smart about their setup. It's a monthly membership, and you can cancel at any time. So think about it. You could just sign up for 1 month, right in the middle of tax season, get all the help you need, and then cancel. That is a super flexible way to do it.
Getting started is super simple. It's really just 3 steps. First, you sign up for that premium membership over at taxlab.com. Step 2, you take a look at their online calendar to see when the sessions are available. And then step 3, you just book the group session that fits your schedule. Easy as that.
All right, so let's say you've done all that, you're booked for a session. What can you actually expect? Let's take a look inside and understand how these group sessions are formatted.
This is really the secret sauce to how they make it so affordable. See, you're not paying for a professional's undivided attention, one-on-one. Instead, you're in a live, online session with other premium members. You're all basically pooling your resources to share the cost of that expert's time. It's a brilliant model.
And they have a system to make sure it's fair for everybody. It's really straightforward. You just use a raise hand button to get in line to ask a question. The tax preparer will answer 1 question per person, going right down the line. Got another question? No problem. Just raise your hand and get back in the queue. It's a simple, organized way to make sure everyone gets their turn. And this quote right here, it really gets to the core of their entire philosophy. They say, "This is to help you learn how to do it for yourself. It's not designed for this tax preparer to do it for you." The goal is all about empowerment. They want to teach and guide you, not just do the work for you. You know, it's that classic teach a person to fish idea, just for taxes.
So let's just make this super clear. With the assisted service, you're getting guidance to file your own return. If you want someone to actually prepare and file the whole thing for you, that's their professional service, which is a totally separate, more traditional thing. It's a really important distinction to understand.
So if all of this sounds like it might be a good fit for you, let's talk about the final step, how you can get access and get yourself started.
Oh, and it's also really important to know that this isn't just for simple personal tax returns. The guidance they offer covers both personal and business taxes, which makes it an incredibly versatile tool for a lot of people.